delighted to have Mr. Bhaichung amongst us. Like Sonia said, he was with us when we did the announcement of this project, January 2018. We're delighted that the project is now at a closing stage. We've handed over the first phase, and this has been about 3 years and 9 months in spite of COVID, so which is actually something which we're very proud of. Very excited with the way the development has turned out, and the other phases will all get done. This will be by far the best project in Goa, we have no doubt about that. Just to talk for a minute or two about our concept of child-centric homes, we believe that there is a tremendous need, and that's been proven now, for the young Indian families which are highly aspirational, who want the best of opportunities for their children. And when we started kind of discovering this a number of years ago, we came up with the concept of child-centric homes. And one of the things that we realized is these families want to give their kids the best of opportunities, but they were facing challenges of driving, distance, security. I actually had one parent, when we were doing the research at the time, I actually had one parent who said, in the focus group discussion, they said, my older son wanted to play tennis, and so we took them into this tennis academy. Now my younger son needs to have something to do, so we just sent him to the same place, without knowing whether the kid wants to play football or wants to play something else. It's just more convenient for them. They were feeling bad about it. So our whole goal here is to create an environment where the coach is at the doorstep. And so we've tied up with India's best talent. We have, of course, the Bhaichung football school to teach the kids soccer. Goa is the land of soccer in that sense. So we're so happy that we actually have Mr. Bhutia here to actually kick off all our child-centric amenities. We also have tie-ups with Anil Kumble for cricket. We have Shamak Dawar for dance. We have Shankar Mahadevan. So we have all of these coaching academies. We've tied up with the Michael Phelps Academy for swimming. And if you walk around in the project, you'll find that we've got 2 half-Olympic pools as well as another plunge pool. So I do believe that this is a place where the children will flourish, families can flourish. After this year and a half of COVID, with people being cooped up inside, I think the timing of getting the project ready is great, because people will come outdoors, get out there, play, use the tennis courts, use the football ground, basketball courts, get into the swimming pool. So we're very excited to finally deliver Goa's first child-centric development. We are very excited with it, and we do hope that we'll be able to do many more such projects in the near future. With that little introduction, I'd like to hand it over to Mr. Bhaichung, who's the Bhaichung football school will coach the kids of Gera'S River of Joy to learn to play football.
Association Gera'S River of Joy. BVFS is definitely, it's a great honor for us to be associated, because let me give you a brief background about Bhaichung football schools. In fact, we are one of the largest football grassroots program in India today, and we've got more than 3,000-4,000 kids training every day with 100+ coaches and almost 60-70 centers across India. But what is the most important thing about BVFS is, it's not just about quantity, but we deliver quality as well. Our coaches, 80% of our coaches are all qualified coaches. We manage and help and support coaches to get the license from AFC, which is very, very important. We are also a football academy that is given A+ category in India, which very few academies in India has got that. But at the same time, what we are proud of is, in the last 10 years, we've got 6 players that have gone on to play for India in different age groups, under 15, under 16, through our academy. And we've got a number of players that have gone on to graduate from BVFS and gone on to play for ISL and IB clubs across India. So we're very proud of that. At the same time, kids across India, in fact, one of our kids was in BVFS in Shillong. He was training there. Our coaches scouted and told us, the main under 15 team, under 13 team coaches, that there's a great talent, and that's how we brought this player from Shillong. Made him play for under 15 BVFS, we play I League, which a lot of clubs from Goa play that tournament as well. that's how he was spotted and got selected for India. So wherever the kid is playing, whether it's in Gera'S here in Goa or Shillong, Manipur, Bangalore, if there is a talent, we give that talent a platform and he can compete with the best of players and then go on to play for India and make a career out of being a footballer. So yes, we want to make sure that we give that kind of platform and support to the kids. What we are very happy with Gera'S River of Joy is that, a lot of, I think, housing complexes just come and sell the property. But I think the quality of living in that property is very, very important. And especially now I'm a parent as well. And when though I live in Sikkim, but when I live in Calcutta, when I live in, even in Punjab and Delhi, I think it's important when you live in the places like this, you have a great house, that's great. But if you don't have things for kids to do, then I think, somewhere you feel that something's missing. So what is great about Gera'S is there are a lot of opportunities given to the buyers, the owners here, and we've got some of the best academies in terms of cricket, swimming, we've got even dance, dance academy here. So I think it's just not about buying a property and living here, but it's also for kids and also elders to have a good quality of life. At the same time, when you tie up with BBFS or a tennis academy, it's just not about this tie-up, but if the kid is highly talented, potential, he's got a passion to it, it's about getting him the right support and platform to go on to live his dreams. So I think that's where we're very happy and proud to be associated with Gera'S. And hopefully I think kids will enjoy football here. It's a great property. We've seen, there's a futsal ground here. But I think Gera'S set an example to a lot of builders across India that just not building houses and selling it, but also giving a good quality of life to live in that property. So I think this is the model which we all need to, across India needs to see it, and hopefully I think we as buyers across, because I've got client in Canada as well, so we need to also see that there are special sports facilities given to the property like what we are doing. So we are very happy to be associated and we look forward to the association, and hopefully I think people buying here and people playing football here with UFS, we will definitely hope to get some great talent out of the property as well. But trust me that there's a talent and there's a passion even in Gera'S here in the academy. We will make sure we will support the kid and we want to do for the future.